Welcome to School of Engineering and Technology at Christ deemed to be University. The School of Engineering and Technology was established in 2009 and the school is been growing progressively in terms of number of programs, number of students and the number of faculty to equip the students so that they can contribute to the society and have the required skills as expected by the industry. The new program which we are commencing this year, which is Master in Electric Vehicle Technology, we are associating with an industry called Decibel Labs, and we have the E-Mobility Center for Excellence, which is established at our campus at Kengeri. So with this, when we look at the School of Engineering Technology or Center for Excellence in E-Mobility and the newer programs which we are offering, which all caters to the societal needs and which is as per our mission and also our vision of excellence and service. So I wholeheartedly welcome all of you to School of Engineering Technology and also to join the program of M.Tech in Electrical Vehicle Technology. Thank you.